How to get Webull Level 2 options. So you've been trading options on Webull and now you're ready to level up. You want access to more strategies, straddles, strangles, collars, protective puts. That's level 2. But how do you actually get approved? It's not automatic. You have to apply, and Webull doesn't just hand it out. They ask questions about your income, your trading experience, your risk tolerance, your goals. It's like a mini interview, but in app form. Users say the key is how you answer. If you say you've never traded options and you're super conservative, you'll probably get stuck at level 1. But if you show you understand the risks and have some experience, even paper trading, you've got a shot. Some people even redo the application if they get denied. Others say they got approved in a few hours. A few had to wait a day or two. It's not instant, but it's not hard either. Now here's the thing. Level 2 lets you trade more complex strategies, but you still need a margin account for some of them. Covered puts, long straddles, and long strangles all require margin. So if you're on a cash account, you'll be omitted. You'll need to upgrade to margin and have at least $2,000 in your account. That's Webull's rule. No exceptions. Once approved, the platform updates automatically. You'll see new strategies in the options chain. You can build multi-leg trades, you can hedge, you can speculate. It's a whole new world. But it's also more risk. So don't just dive in blind. People on Reddit and YouTube say level 2 is great for learning. But they also warn, don't use it unless you understand what each leg does. One wrong move and you're stuck in a losing position with no easy exit. So yeah, getting level 2 options on Webull is doable. Apply through the app, answer smart, upgrade to margin if needed. And once you're in, take it slow. It's a powerful tool, but only if you know how to use it.